How's it going, guys? A super quick video on how to make your routing a little bit more efficient. I've seen a lot of posts lately about how long the routes are taking, and maybe some of you do this, maybe some of you don't. Don't always trust the routing that Amazon gives you. Like you see where it says list, if you just go straight by that list, sometimes that can make you take longer. I had another video on how I load my packages. I'll try to post a link to that. I like to load them in order of my deliveries. But say, for example, if you look at this route, you see I have stop number 4, and right next to it is stop 35. If I follow their routing, I'm going to end up circling back and coming all the way right where I started. So for this route, maybe I would do 34, 35, then go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then instead of going over where it's 14, 15, and 16, I'm going to do 12, 25, 26, 28, 32, and just kind of zigzag back and forth. So anyway, I just want to make a super quick video. Don't always trust their routing. Go into where it says map. And for example, if 35 is closer to where I'm starting from, you click on that 35, your map will bring up the route on how to get to there. The thing that you do have to be careful if you do this, say for example, I did, let's say stop number, let me look at this. Say if I, okay, here we go. Say if I started with number 6 and I want to do 7, 5, 4, 35. If you hit 6, you do that, you need to go back into your map and then click on the next one you want to do. Because say if I did 9 first, say I'm right in that area, I do 9 first. It automatically, after I deliver 9, it won't want to take me to 8 or 10. Their routing will want to take me to number 4 because that's the first one on my list. So anyway, guys, I just hope that helps you out a little bit. Go into the map, look at your route, and work it the way that will work best for you. Don't always go by their list.